Hey everyone, welcome to our quick start guide for WeChat. First of all, get a WeChat from your mobile app store and ensure security by downloading from official sources. So once you download it, let's commence to create our account. So we are entering on the WeChat to sign up and create our new account. So here is a notification may include alert. You can easily allow it. And then you can see the options below. Sign up with mobile, sign up with Apple, and sign up with Facebook. You can choose any of these options. Accept and continue after filling up all the details. Now it's gonna ask you either you are human or a robot. Don't hesitate and simply complete the puzzle by just moving the cursor. Finally, we are ready to explore WeChat Pay and mini programs, discover voice, messages, video calls, and many more. Thanks for joining, enjoy exploring and WeChat features. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Bye-bye.